Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download multiple attachments on your AOL mail account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mail.aol.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official AOL Mail website. Now from the homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner if you haven't already logged into your account. Then you can use your account credentials to log in. Once you have logged into your account, if you wish to download multiple attachments, click on the inbox option or whichever folder you have your attachments on. Then open up the email by clicking on it to find your attachments. Now if this email has multiple attachments, you will find the option which says download all attachments as a zip file. You can click on this option and this will compress all your attachments into a singular zip file, and the download will also begin within your PC. Once the file is downloaded, you can simply open it and you will see all of your attachments within this folder. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download multiple attachments from your AOL Mail account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.